Hi guys, today we are at Grape Sanctuary with my two kids and my nephew. Say hi to the vlog, LJ. Say hi, Jordan.
Hey.
Yeah, so to them, I felt like taking them there today because I'm on vacation and I'm going back to work next week. So yeah, really hope for the day.
We're not going so.
Sun is so hot. Whew. Right, Zayden, walk a little bit. Zayden is walking. Hi, morning.
Are you visitors or locals?
We're locals.
Okay, do you have ID?
Yeah, that's bad.
Okay, you don't have to show it to me, just when you get to the ticketing booth.
Okay.
So you can access the local rate. Kids 0 to 2 are free, and 3 to 12 is 15 Barbados.
Okay.
And then adults is 30 Barbados. You can have a guidebook for 15 or bird or fish food for $7 each.
Okay.
No outside food or drinks.
Okay.
No smoking or vaping. Stay on the path at all times.
Okay. No problem. Thank you.
And then the bathroom is the pink building that you would have passed, and then there's a cafe that's in the building.
Okay. Thank you.
Go straight down.
Straight ahead?
Yeah, straight ahead and follow the path to the left. It's a green hut.
Okay. Come, Zayden. We're going this way. Come, boy. Come, we're going this way. This way. No. They have so many little seating areas. This is so clean as well. What's in there? Watch him, Jordan. You can't go through nothing still, but that's watch him. It's pretty cool. Ooh, look at this bad boy. I don't think so. No. There's no crocodiles. Look at the fishes, guys. Ooh. LJ, you want one to eat?
Yo. More come.
Alright, let's go to the ticket booth. So we have to go to the ticket booth now to pay. $30 for locals, for adults. Kids $15. And if I want a tour guide, it's 50 Barbados dollars, which I think we will need a tour guide to show us around and everything. And also, if I want to feed the birds, I have to pay like $6 or $7. I can't remember, but when I pay, I'll let you guys know.
No. What? Where you see?
It's so hot. The sun is so hot. We have to pay to go in. We have to pay right here. Hey guys, so I just paid our admission. We had to wait a little while. There was a guy there that was there for a while, so we had to wait for a while. And the sun is so hot. Oh my god. So it's like a self tour, and she said you'll see tour guides in between. I should have walked with Zayden's stroller. You Jordan? Should have walked with it. But anyhow, it's so hot. But I'm gonna try to enjoy my day. Where turn today? Yeah.
Come on, fish my one.
I should carry stroller now, you know? Oops. Get up, Zayden.
No, so you can't eat bird food.
Yeah, people say don't give them only birds, they must give that bird food.
People can't eat bird food.
No, people can't eat bird food. People can't eat this rabbit.
Oops. Oh, I should have brought Zayden's stroller. Come back here. Come back here, Zayden. LJ, you need to put this phone in your bag. Take this phone and put it in your bag. Take the phone.
Watch your baby now.
Zayden. No, come. I should have brought his stroller. Honestly, I didn't know this the sanctuary was so cool. Oops. You see? Jordan, can you see clearly?
Yeah.
Yeah, you could even see the people from there, that their mouth even moving, everything. All right, let's go, guys. Let's go. Do not feed the animals, because if you feed them with other foods, they're gonna trail. So there's a cafe this way, Reflect Island Legacy and Wildlife that way. Hello. Iguana feed.
You guys for the tour or you just self?
Just self, yeah.
You wanna know the history about the iguana?
Huh? Yeah, sure.
So there are two iguanas in here.
Oh, I didn't see it. Guys, you saw the iguanas here?
No.
It's right here.
Right where? Oh.
Then we have
No, they're caged up.
Then we have the pork perch, the bird, is right here.
That's it.
And we got parrot as well.
A parrot?
Wait. You gonna like pull the car?
Where is the
Not
iguanas?
here,
Where is the iguanas?
It's right there.
Where?
Iguana right there.
Where?
And they also have a
They
10
passed me not one in there.
Oh, you mean that thing that's
You know, like a Komodo dragon?
yeah.
They're family to the Komodo dragon, but they don't look like it. This one.
Where the iguana?
So we're having a little history about the iguanas. Zayden, you having fun, Zayden? You having fun, boy? Look at the iguana, guys.
So they're family to these little dragons. They don't have poisonous to live.
Where is the iguana?
And if you go that way, you guys see snakes.
Snake?
Come on, today.
You mean snake?
That way it goes.
Where is the iguana?
They're caged up. They're caged up?
Where the
Alright.
iguana?
The white mangroves do the same. The red mangroves do the same thing, but they have a longer it's not a seed, but what do you call it? I would call it like a pod, like.
Uh-huh.
There's water.
Yeah, if you want to fill out your water bottles, you could.
Oh, that's so good. You thirsty? I'm thirsty. Put that down. So they have a hydration station, which is perfect. 'Cause let me tell you, this walk ain't funny. No, LJ. This walk ain't for the week. It's so hot, and it's a little walk.
No.
Vlog, we don't put your mouth on the weight. Give me the bucket. Come. Can I pour this water down there? Here?
Put it over there.
Over here? Leave that Zed in. So we didn't know what with any water bottles or anything. Leave it. Oh shit. Come. You want water?
Look at the camera, LJ.
Oops.
I'm gonna be cameraman.
Yeah, so you have to help me vlog. So it's kind of hard to vlog with the baby. It's a very long walk, right?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna give you some.
LJ, hold the bird seat.
Come. Here you go, here you go, here you go.
No, take your birthday, my birthday. Yo, Kai, you got some fun.
Alright. Take out the bird food. You can't cut it now.
Under the water.
Sorry, I'm drinking out Jaden's bottle. Hey, don't do that. No.
Can I have some? Zed, say hi.
Mama?
Sorry, you here?
That's okay.
The kids alone.
Mm.
Sorry, the baby and this walk. I should have brought his stroller, but I didn't know it was so much
When
walk.
you get down there, there's gonna be AC. The room's gonna have AC.
Oh, perfect. So the room has AC down here.
So guys, life along the lagoon. Got that portion.
We were just looking at burning as we would have glimpsed.
Thank you.
And hopefully there is long enough to.
And that's him right there. Mr. Richard. He passed away. No, it's such a beautiful place. Guys, this is our last little tour of the Graeme Sanctuary, where the kids are doing their bird feed. That's a bullfrog? That's a frog.
Look.
Yeah, I know. I mean, I like frogs, you know. We're at the Avery. It's pretty cool, you know. I will definitely come back some other time.
Look, take this something.
Wait, I still get you.
Those are the of legs.
Say bye to the vlog, guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Say bye, Xander.
Bye.
See you guys. I didn't know they had a kiddie spot around here, which is very nice. Come on, Xander, let's go. It was a nice tour. Let me see how tall you are, LJ. Go. Come here. Let me see how tall you are. Come here. Come. Right here. You're a tall young man.
Yes, yes, am I?
Go on.
Call him.
Let him go. Ah, you're more than 5 feet, boy. Come on. Zayden wants to go in the playground. Come on, we're gonna chef at the playground where we have AC. It's so hot here. It was a good tour. Very good.